everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you feel dizziness when you move your neck up, down, right or left? Then this can be cervical vertigo, the dizziness that comes from your neck and not your inner ear. There are few causes for cervical vertigo like poor posture, weak neck muscles, whiplash or injury. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate a few exercises which are going to help in reduce your neck stiffness and dizziness. So let's dive in. The first exercise is for neck range of motion. So we are going to sit straight and look forward. Now from here you're going to look right and left. So move your neck towards your right side, come back and then move it towards your left side. Hold for 1 second in the end range. If you have neck stiffness, you can increase your range after every 1 rep. Breathe naturally. Make sure you're not moving your upper body, it's just your neck movement. And relax. Now we are going to look up and down. Just move your neck, not your back. If you have pain and stiffness when doing the movement, just go slow. Start with 10 reps. If you feel comfortable, you can go for 2 sets. And relax. Now we are going to bend our neck left side and then right side. You're going to stretch these muscles. Breathe naturally. And relax. The next exercise for upper trap stretch. For this one, you're going to stay in the same position. Take your arm and keep it under your hips. Now stretch your neck towards the opposite side. Hold for at least 30 seconds and breathe naturally. You will feel the stretch here. If you want to feel more stretch, you can take the same hand and pull your neck down. Go for at least 2 to 3 reps. And relax. The next exercise is chin tuck. We are going to strengthen up the extensor compartment muscles of your neck. So you're going to sit straight and look forward and tuck in your chin. Make sure when you're doing this exercise, you're not doing this movement. It's just sit straight, look forward and tuck in your chin. You don't have to move your shoulders, just your chin movement. You will feel the stretch here behind your neck. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds, breathe naturally and relax. Go for at least 5 reps. And relax. The next stretch is for levator scapulae. For this one, you're going to sit straight and turn your neck to 45-degree angle. Take the opposite hand and take it behind your back. Now bend your neck down and lift the same hand up which side you're bending and pull your neck downwards. Hold for 30 seconds. Breathe naturally. And relax. Do the same stretch towards the opposite side. 45-degree angle. Bend your neck down. You'll feel the stretch here. And the next exercise are the isometrics for neck muscles. So what is isometric? For example, when you are looking towards the right side, now we are going to turn towards the right side. We will try, but we are going to resist the movement from the hand. So you're going to take your hand and place it near to your chin, or you can also place it here. Now from here, move your neck towards your right side, but resist it from your hand. You'll feel the stretch here. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds and relax. Do again. This is going to strengthen up your neck muscles. And relax. You can turn your neck slightly more and then resist. relax. Switch other side. If you don't feel stretch while keeping your hand here, you can also keep it near your chin. It works best for me when I keep it here. Breathe naturally and relax. The next exercise is for scapular muscles. Scapular muscles is behind your upper back. Now what you're going to do, you're going to sit straight and bend your elbows. Now you're going to take your elbows back and squeeze your upper back. Bring your scapular bone closer. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Breathe naturally and relax. Go for at least 5 reps. Relax. The progression for this exercise is you're going to take the TheraBand and wrap it around your wrist. Now keep your elbows in 90-degree angle. Now from here take your elbows out and come back. You're going to strengthen up your upper back muscles. Go for at least 10 to 15 reps. Relax. Do these exercises at least once a day to see the difference, and if you know someone who will benefit from these exercises, do forward this video to them, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.